If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving. Today, I'm riding solo. Sometimes that's exactly what a biker needs. Just enjoying the ride alone with your thoughts, clearing your mind, and letting the road do the talking. The day is brutally hot, but that's the good thing about Serbia. You'll find cold, drinkable spring water almost everywhere, plenty of spots to take a break, cool off, and enjoy the ride. After visiting Lazareva Cave in the last episode, I passed by Borsko Lake, riding through beautiful untouched nature on my way to the source of the Mlava River Spring, the place where a river is born. The views here are incredible. The cool breeze is blowing, and as you enter the forest, you can feel that fresh air hitting you right away. Exactly what you need on a scorching hot day. The road is actually pretty good. No complaints here. I like it. The views from here are amazing. My navigation is telling me I'm almost at the destination, the source of the Mlava River. And here we are. We've reached the destination. Vrelo Mlava, the source of the Mlava River, is one of those places in Serbia where nature feels almost unreal. Quiet, green, and constantly shaped by water coming straight out of the rock. It is located at the foot of the Kuchaj Mountains in eastern Serbia, in a protected natural area. The spring itself is a powerful karstic emergence, meaning the water flows out from deep underground limestone systems. What you see on the surface is just the exit point of a much larger hidden underground network of rivers and caves. The water is extremely cold and crystal clear, even in summer because it travels through deep underground channels before surfacing. That's why locals often describe it as living water, always fresh, always moving. One of the most interesting things is how dramatic the setting is. The river doesn't just start quietly, it bursts out from the rock and immediately forms small cascades, pools, and channels surrounded by dense forest. It feels more like a natural sanctuary than a typical river source. The area is also part of a rich cave and karst system, which connects it to other underground formations in the region, including caves and springs that are still not fully explored. That's where part of the mystery comes from. Scientists know a lot, but not everything about where all that water is actually coming from. That's all for today. Good people. In the next episode, I'll take you through Đerdap National Park, one of the most spectacular rides along the Danube, full of cliffs, canyons, and breathtaking views. See you on the road.